Our first experiment takes us to the 1930s, where the infamous Unit 731 operated under the Japanese Imperial Army in Manchuria, China. This secret military unit conducted some of the most brutal and inhumane experiments in history. They subjected prisoners of war and innocent civilians to horrific experiments, including vivisections without anesthesia, testing biological agents like anthrax, plague, and cholera on them, and exposing them to extreme temperatures and conditions to observe their survival. The victims, many of whom were Chinese civilians, were deliberately infected with deadly diseases, and some were even dissected alive to study their bodily functions. Over 100,000 people are estimated to have died from the experiments, with estimates reaching as high as 250,000. The Japanese government tried to cover up the truth about Unit 731 for decades, and many of the doctors involved were never held accountable. This dark chapter in history is a horrific reminder of how far people are willing to go when there are no ethical boundaries in place. The experiments were designed to test human endurance under extreme conditions, such as freezing victims in ice water and subjecting them to high-altitude decompression. Some of these experiments were so brutal that they resulted in permanent disfigurements, gangrene, and death. Perhaps the most infamous of all Nazi experiments were those involving the twins. Dr. Joseph Mengele, often referred to as the Angel of Death, conducted horrific experiments on twins, trying to alter their physical characteristics and testing the limits of human pain and endurance.